Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Thursday, May 26th. We're seeing some near-record warmth today as the ridge axis is going to be overhead, so we'll see temperatures in the upper 70s to near 90 degrees out towards the Magic Valley. But we do have the threat for some afternoon thunderstorms and an active weather pattern through next week. We'll be breaking that down this morning. Some key points we're going to focus on today. We do have that near record warmth today with highs again in the upper 70s to near 90 degrees out towards the Magic Valley. So a very warm day. Temperatures about 10 to 20 degrees above normal for this time of year. So definitely a little bit anomalous for late May, but we will see those temperatures come crashing back down for this weekend. So enjoy the warmth while you can. Active weather pattern does return this afternoon through the weekend. We're kind of breaking that down into 2 days, at least for the first part. So day one today is just mainly some isolated afternoon and evening thunderstorms, some of which could become strong with some gusty winds and small hail. Main area for those today is going to be the Central Mountains, Magic Valley, Snake Plain, and out towards the Eastern Highlands. So we'll see those storms develop early this afternoon, probably like 2 to 4 p.m. in the Magic Valley, and work their way up through the Snake Plain and Central Mountains, if out towards the Eastern Highlands by later that evening. But we will see those at least conditions-wise, decrease in intensity towards this evening. And for day two, we may see mainly going to see some isolated showers during the morning hours, but skies should clear through midday. So we'll see at least a little bit of a break in between the thunderstorms for day one into day two, with those scattered afternoon and evening thunderstorms looking a little bit more widespread for Friday, with some of those again becoming strong with a gusty wind and small hail potential. And again, that target area does expand to the entirety of Southeast Idaho, so looking at some more widespread coverage for Friday. Memorial Day weekend outlook, again, looking cold, wet, and breezy for those days. So by Saturday, we're looking at continued rain, high elevation snow Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, with high temperatures and low temperatures coinciding, at least dropping as we head towards early next week. So as far as Saturday into Monday especially, feeling much colder with highs only in the 40s and 50s, with lows around freezing into the 40s. Look at satellite loop this morning. We do have that ridge as it's situated here in Southeast Idaho, mainly some upper level clouds filtering in overhead. Not a whole lot of impact wise, but if we look out in the bigger picture, we do have this area of low pressure that's sitting off the British Columbia coast right now, and that'll be kind of moving inland over the next few days. And this low is expected to track over our region, which will bring widespread precipitation headed into this weekend and a return to some high elevation snow as much colder temperatures begin to work down from western Canada. Here's a look at your weather risk outlook for this morning. Do that near record warmth for today, along with the breezy winds and isolated afternoon thunderstorms. Looking at a little bit less scattered as far as thunderstorm coverage goes in the Southeast Highlands, but still again with that near record warmth. For Friday, we're looking at mainly some morning isolated showers, and as we clear out by midday, we'll generate some instability for some stronger, more widespread afternoon thunderstorms across the entirety of Southeast Idaho, with the capability of those both today and tomorrow, some of those becoming strong with gusty winds and small hail. For Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, much of the same for each one of those days, just getting progressively colder as we head into Monday, but we'll see that low elevation rain and mountain snow, again with breezy winds each and every day through early next week. Temperatures today starting off in the 40s to low 50s as you head further south, but afternoon temperatures do soar back into the 70s to near 90 degrees in the Magic Valley. So many locations have not seen 80 this year, especially here in Pocatello, so we're seeing a lot of those stations at least breaking that 80 degree mark for the first time this season. And wind gusts today, mainly looking about up to 20 to 30 miles an hour. Strongest gusts are going to be in the upper Snake Plain out towards INL and across our higher elevation zones. And for Friday, temperatures cool off by about 10 degrees, so we're back in the upper 60s to upper 70s. And wind gusts on Friday looking a little bit more potent on that one, so mainly up to 40, 45 miles an hour as you head out into Snake Plain and higher elevation zones. And again on Friday, we will see that threat for some more widespread thunderstorm coverage as opposed to today, which is going to be slightly more isolated. But each and every day, Thursday and Friday, some of those could develop and become stronger, more severe side of things. And for Saturday, we're continuing that cooling trend, again dropping off by about 10 degrees, so we're back in the 50s to mid-60s for your Saturday. And again, on those winds, mainly going to be a Snake Plain event that's on Saturday, but we're just going to see those wind gusts again up to about 40, 45 miles an hour out towards the INL, Arco, Mud Lake area. And for Sunday, we're going to keep that temperature still on dropping, so we're back in the 40s up north for afternoon highs. But by Sunday afternoon, we should be in the mid to upper 50s as you head further south. So definitely pretty cool for this time of year, but we'll keep that trend going into early next week. And again on Sunday, just again a windy afternoon, so we'll see those winds stay fairly breezy through this weekend. But as far as those colder temperatures and winds as well each and every day. And here's a look at the rain and snow amounts. This is looking at Friday through Sunday. So this, generally about a quarter to an inch of precip is expected, pretty much for everybody. And those high elevation snow amounts generally going to stay above 7,000 feet. Only low elevation areas that could see some snowfall as the snow levels drop might just be up in Stanley and high elevation mountain passes. But out towards the central mountains especially, looking at some good snow as far as the 3-day accumulation. But as far as precip wise for everybody, everyone will get in on the action. Just a little bit lighter values here in the Snake Plain. And for Monday, this will be the coldest day of the period, so we'll see at least temperatures during the morning hours, especially getting back down to around freezing for many locations here in the Snake Plain growing region. Should just be on the borderline of like a frost advisory for early Monday morning with those temperatures. But by the afternoon, we do warm back up into the 40s to mid 50s. So feeling pretty cold for your Monday as that continued precipitation impacts persist through Monday. And wind gusts on Monday, slightly less breezy, but we will see those wind gusts 20-25 miles an hour for your Monday. And in summary this morning, we do that near record warmth today with the highs in the 70s to near 90 degrees in the Magic Valley. And we will have the chance for some thunderstorms both today and tomorrow. Slightly more isolated today, a little bit more widespread for tomorrow. But again, many of these storms could be at least becoming strong with gusts up to 55 miles an hour with some small hail. So something to keep an eye on over the next couple of days. Memorial Day weekend outlook, it's looking colder, wet, and breezy each and every day. So as far as temperatures are going to be dropping through Monday, and Monday morning looks to be the coldest of the period. But as far as keeping with that precipitation and increased active weather pattern through the long term will be the story of today. But that was the weather briefing for today, Thursday, May 26th. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to contact us at our email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome day.